More vim?
More life! You're on the spot, not moving.
But you've all given examples of how we can make connections. They're all very different styles and types, but they're all different ways in which we can improve how we feel. So it's important that we have different levels of connection. The most important thing is that we try and maintain it.
Now, your body is a natural being and it recognises nature very, very quickly. If you put something in your body that's not from its original source, your body has to then recognise what that is. So when you hear people say like, after I've eaten a big massive plate of food that's cooked, they get very tired because the body has to work so hard to recognise all those dimensions of food that actually it would have just known if you just ate it raw as it comes.
One of the things that they say about vitamin D is as we get older, especially women, we don't have enough vitamin D. So while we've got this sunshine now, I would say take advantage of it and enjoy it and get outdoors as much as you can. But you can buy vitamin D tablets over the counter, but I would always say just talk to somebody, from social prescribers, about what other medication you might be taking yourself as well, because nothing should just be taken in isolation. We should always look at what else are we taking and how do all of our meds work with each other.
The next element is mental health, because we know that controls our well-being, how we're feeling, what activities we're doing. And basically we want to know if things aren't okay, because we've all got different problems, different stresses, and there's lots and lots of resources out there to help with different problems.
Open up your chest and then close. Feel the stretch. Are you okay? You good? You pull down, push.
I think with things like More Than More Life, it is about helping you, giving you kind of like services or giving you opportunities. But it's in that, helping you just to maintain a good kind of like lifestyle. So hopefully it doesn't reach to the point of crisis. And being in nature, again, helps to reduce stress. So the reason why that's there twice is because stress isn't just a mental condition, it also stress, obviously, it shows up and it's in your body as well. So again, spending time in nature, having a relaxing walk can also relax your body as well.
Arms hang heavy, chin to the chest, ribs hanging heavy. And if you want to, you can hold on to your elbows, or you just lengthen to the back of your legs. And over, only a little bit, because what I want you to feel is this left side stretching, not the right side pushing.
Pepper's very good for moving rubbish so that blood can flow better, and removing any waste from the cells. Just going to add a little bit of that H2O. About 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons maximum. Just enough to get the blender going. And the reason why I add just enough to get the blender going is I want to keep all the intense flavours in there. I don't want it to lose its taste, okay?
Take the corners of your lips up towards your ears and just smile into yourself, into your 300 179 trillion cells that show up as the universe and the galaxy known as you.
I really enjoyed today, especially the yoga and the exercise. That was definitely, and I also actually liked Gail's speech about it was the respiratory system and things like that. Yeah, so It was good. I'm enjoying the program.
Yeah.
Actually enjoying it. And it's also good that we can hear our views, whether we think something is working positively or we don't like something, and we can get an explanation for it. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I would recommend it to some of the ladies around here and to some of my family.
I'm really enjoying it. I'm getting to know more about the body, and I'm enjoying the exercises, and the food is very nice, very nutritious, and it's a really good feeling.
Absolutely amazing, and I'm really enjoying so far. The team is amazing, we're learning a lot.
More Vim More Life is really good. I think it's a really good way to get the community together, a way of connecting and learning and sharing from each other. For me, the favourite thing is the variety, so having opportunities to do exercise together, learning new exercises, learning more about the different parts of the body, but also about well-being, so looking at me as a whole rather than just parts. So I think that's what's been really good about it. I'd recommend it to absolutely anybody in any of our local neighbourhoods if they want to know more, want more Vim More Life in their local area. I think it should be for absolutely everyone.
Is there anything that you would take from this session and practice at home?
Definitely the cooking side and making my own natural juice, and definitely the exercise as well.
It's great, it's been amazing. To be honest with you, I love every single thing that they're doing, and this is the second time they've given me the opportunity to work with them. The last one was for 8 weeks, and then we had a big event at the park, which I was fortunate to be part of. And then again, this one this year, this month, again, it's been a success for me. You know, getting to meet different people from different communities and able to show what I can do. I learned a lot of things.
Okay.
Getting to know about, well, nutrition is not my side of fitness, but I getting to know more about nutrition. I getting to know more about a lot of things that I was blind to, and getting to meet amazing people. Meeting the people that I actually work with and the improvements I've seen they've made so far, and I'm ready and willing to continue with them, encourage them to carry on with whatever they've started.